Hi, my name is Jasmine. We are going to do pouring medium painting, and this is my white canvas. I put thumbtacks at the bottom of my canvas. As you can see on the right, I did a very challenging job. Were my first two of my pouring mediums that I ever did before. So as you can see, I'm going in with like a lot of blue, and I would say you want to put a lot of blue. You want to put a lot of all your major colors that you want to use, because as you can see from my right that I did not do that, and it turned out, it's beautiful, but it turned out weird too at the same time, and it's not what I was looking for. So I added a lot of white and also go in with a lot of other colors, and I use my blow torch and I pop out all the air bubbles to make sure that everything gets sealed at the end. So please enjoy this video. Thank you.